Yep.
I am muddy. Why can't I was muddy?
Because you just jumped in the puddle. You want to just walk to the mail and go back in the house?
No thanks.
Okay, go play. Why don't you go jump by mommy's car? It's a wet puddle down there. It's not so muddy. In a clear puddle. Yeah, in a clear puddle. Go down. Go down the step. Right there, jump. 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 There you go.
Only thing I hate, like, okay, so I need to be editing, and I'm like literally watching YouTube videos. It's horrible, but I'm trying to edit before the power goes out because it just looks like death outside.
There's a lot of rain there.
It is a lot of rain, isn't it, Cam? Dark out.
Is this like?
Yeah, it's real dark.
So it's not nighttime?
It's not nighttime. It's just dark out right now from all the rain.
It is dark and it's not nighttime.
I love him. I just.
And it's raining and it's raining somebody's car today.
It is.
Why wouldn't it rain on everyone's car with trees and grass?
I don't know, baby.
They're trying to grow.
I guess.
I don't want them to grow. I don't need them to grow, Mommy. They don't have to grow at all.
And he's gone. I'm trying to edit, but I'm watching. I don't know if you guys follow her, Tiffany Darling. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, I'm watching her video. She just uploaded for breast augmentation, which I am all for. When you need to feel confident in your body and your abilities, you do what you need to do for you. And I want to finish it. So, like, here she is. She's so pretty. Yes, I love her. I love her so much. But yeah, you do what you gotta do. You do, and you make it work. So I'm in the process of finishing editing. Then I got some mail that I need to open and do a review on. So he has this cord now. He can charge up his Navi, and it's extra long, so I can charge.
In my room.
Yes, I'm in your room.
I was hiding.
You hiding from the rain?
Yeah.
But you're not scared. It's just rain. We just went outside in the rain.
It is scared.
It's not.
It's gonna be now. It's scared me.
Oh, I'm loving this cord. It's extra long. Y'all can. I hope y'all can see him. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
Rain, rain, go away.
Come again another day.
Rain, rain, go away. How we get another day? I'm gonna put my egg right here.
Ooh, lightning.
It is lightning.
Come on, charge. It's not even doing anything. Don't be a douche.
I'm gonna be here.
You gonna be there?
I'm gonna take a nap.
I'm gonna take a nap. This cord better work. If I'm be mad if it doesn't work. Oh, Mom.
You want to get out my room right now?
Yeah, I'm about to go.
And you can sit with me.
Mommy's gonna go and finish editing. I'll be back. Ooh, excuse me. Bye. Well, let me just do this, guys, and then I will get back with y'all in a minute. It's a life hack. Use this to cut this evenly. I use it to cut. Yeah. I saw this on Pinterest, and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna use this to cut his waffles, and it works every time. Sometimes I don't get the ends because I don't want to tear up my plate. Can you